If your Notion portfolio looks like this when someone opens it, then that request access message could cost you a job opportunity. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just 3 steps and make sure employers can open up your portfolio instantly. And by the way, if you haven't created your Notion portfolio yet, I already made a full step-by-step video showing you how to build one from scratch. So what you're seeing now is a clip from the video. I'll link it up right here so you can just check it out after this. In that video, someone asked a very good question, and the question was, how can I send my Notion portfolio link without it asking the employer to request access? And that's such an important question because if an employer clicks on your link and sees request access, I'm sorry to break it to you, they might skip checking your portfolio altogether because it can be a bit frustrating. We definitely don't want that, right? So let's jump right in this video to see how we can fix this problem. Now, the first thing to do is to open your Notion portfolio page and click on Share in the top right corner. Then in the menu that appears, click on Publish. Now move downwards and turn on the toggle that says Publish. What this does is that your page will be made public but view only, and this means that anyone with the link can see it but they can't edit it or change anything. Now the next thing to do is to copy the link. To do that, click on that icon that looks like a chain. Now once that is done, you want to open that same link in an incognito browser so that you can test it. Now if the page opens without asking for access, it means you are good to go and your portfolio page link can now be sent. I also recommend sending the link to a friend first, just to double check that it opens fine before sending it to an employer. And that's it. No more request access messages when sharing your Notion portfolio. If this video has helped you in any way, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Notion and tech tips like this. See you on the next one.